Hey guys, it's me, Jessie B, working mom of 4 beautiful kids, lover of nature, beautiful sunsets, and all things flowers, DIY crafting, and making beautiful home-cooked meals for my family. Join me as I do Life with Jessie B. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jessie B from Life with Jessie B. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a curtain rod out of black steel cut iron. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have 4 of these 1/2 inch thick or 1/2 inch wide, 36-inch long black steel cut pipes. I have 4 of these. My total window length that I want to do is 12 feet long, so this equals out perfectly. And as you can hear, I'm sitting outside in my driveway and we've got neighbor kids running around. So I have one of these T-joints. Everything we're using today is a 1/2 inch in diameter. So I have 1 T-brace for in the middle. I have 2 elbow joints that will go on either end. I have 2 connectors. Then I have 3 of what they call nipples, so that way I can get some length out from my wall. I also have 3 of these bases, which will actually screw into the wall. Today I'm using 2-inch long wood nails. I've got some towels, some gloves. I went ahead with the Rust-Oleum semi-gloss in black, and then to get things started I'm going to get everything a nice cleaning with some mineral. Hey guys, we're back and it's the next day. I'm getting ready to hang up our curtain rod. I've got it back here. I've assembled all the pieces together. As you can see, I went ahead and added my curtain clips on it. And we're getting ready to get started to get it hung up. I just have to get some of my helpers down here to help me while we get it level. So, all right, you guys, so I've got my helper here with me today, my son Dylan, and we're gonna go ahead and get this hung up. I've got my drill and my screws that I spray painted the heads black the other day. And we went ahead already, my husband helped me, and we marked up all of the spots for the screw holes. We marked up all the spots for the screw holes, and we went ahead and pre-drilled the holes, so hopefully this process will go pretty easy.
Hey guys, I figured I'd voice over this part because it'd be easier to explain. Here we're adding all the screws in to secure the curtain rod, and when doing that, we were going with a 2-inch long screw, but our nail bit was not 2 inches long, so the screws were not going in all the way, and we were screwing into studs. So I've updated the description to use 1.5 inches long as opposed to 2 inches. So I just wanted to explain that here. And that's why we have some screws that were not quite going in all the way. I'm going to add a picture of the before and after so you can see a beautiful and simple way to add that farmhouse look to any room. Make sure you check back next week when I walk through how to make an easy no-sew bleach drop cloth curtains. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe so you will see part 2 of adding the curtains next week. You can also follow me on Instagram at Life With Jessie B, and make sure to leave a comment below to let me know what you think of my first YouTube video. Thanks for watching!